Blam! Hello again, Jefferson Tomazella here. So this is my 5th video for the Padeludus Christian Game Jam and Try. And what I got up to now is this nice roguelite where the creatures can chase me, I can scare them off, and I can do this cool beacon thing. But I got a problem when I was just showing something, and when a creature is already inside this big area here, and I make it work, it doesn't count as the creature entered, so I need to change things. So let's fix things before doing anything else. So I need to go to my beacon. I also need to do that here, but let's do in the beacon first. So why that doesn't work is because maybe it's even more simple. It's because somewhere here on my beacon, my light range area here, I change monitoring. It starts false and it changes to true. That is, it doesn't check for creatures entering before it's fully loaded or finished. So what I need to do is I need to leave this on, and I can only do things to the creature if they're on. So yeah, let's make this work. I will not change the monitoring here because blah 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 blah. Where do I change that? Here, monitoring. Yeah, I only change to true once because after starts it will be always true, but I need to remove that. What I need to do is call this here for each creature already inside. So sorry. So let's do this. Let's create a variable for creatures inside array of character body 2D. It's just empty. Oh, I have a creatures inside already. Let's just call these creatures. I could remove this, and yep, I probably can remove this. So let's make this, and I need to change some code here. Yeah. Dot append body. Dot remove. Erase, probably erase. Let's see. Yeah, erase. Erase, okay. No. This is different. This is totally different. That's why those creatures are the check when they enter the small range area. And yeah, the light range area is what I want. So creatures in light will be the same, okay. Lock it. Where do I change the unlock it? It should be on the in light. And not set unlock it. Is here. Unlock it. Goes through. So nice. If unlock it, I will emit the signal. Else I will add it here. And also if unlock it, I emit signal. Else here. Remove. Oh, my son slept. Okay. So what I want to do, this maybe that could be done in a simple way or a more safe way or a better way, but let's do what I can think about right now. And characters, it's not characters, creatures in light dot append body as character 2D. And it's not, whoops, here dot erase body. It's character 2D because it's a character 2D. Oh, don't need to do that. Creature goo. Yeah, so the array of a creature goo. I don't know if I need to do that. The store. Yeah, it should be a creature goo here, so I'll try this way. I'm not so used to Godot yet. Sorry. Okay, so here, when I enlight, if there are, if creatures in light dot size greater than 0 or better, or creature in creatures in light, the oh, it is an array of creature goo, so c dot emit signal, enter light. I mean, okay, here let's do this instead. I don't need an else because if there it erases the first entry, if there is an that entry, if there is not that entry, it does nothing. So I will always try to remove then the creatures from the array. But to add is only if it's not unlocked. Okay, maybe that should make things work. And to really check this out, let's go here, bring a creature. I'm here, creature. Come to me. And no, it didn't work. Creature should run away. Oh, it's not. Oh. Okay, so let's do some printing here to check. print creature inside the string creature. Let's see if it counts as a creature. I'm here, follow me. Okay, it counted, but maybe sorry. Don't know if it's working correctly, but yeah, it has creatures inside, and it removed the creature, send the enter light signal. So let's me just see what happens on the enter. Oh, creature go, enter light signal, connect on enter light. Oh yeah. Scenario 2D. Okay, okay. I'm sending the correct. Oh no, it's not self. Yeah. Want the light range area. Because self is just the smaller light here in the middle. Range area, light range area. Come to me, come to me, come to me. Yeah, this time it worked. Great. So, first problem fixed. Oh, your code is a mess. Yeah, it's a game jam. I'm going to create a, a complete game after prototyping, because in prototyping we should always also just uh, make it work and check if it's actually fun or engaging or what we want to check with the prototyping. And my prototyping here for my game gen and try is finished. It's working. I hope it's engaging, because I cannot test so well or do more things and or try to start again from scratch, because I only have 2 days and 16 hours and 46 minutes and 26 seconds and so on. And for the art style, what am I going to use? I will stick with what I have. So I just use this for prototyping because I don't have basic shapes here. And it's a Kenny. That's Kenny. Where are they? Here, Kenny. I think it's Kenny that you pronounce, no, or Kenny, I don't know. I say Kenny. I got this tiny town and a bit of assets from the tiny dungeon and tiny ski. Or sky. I don't know how to pronounce that as well. In Portuguese we say ski. Because sky is the sky, and I don't know. Okay, so check them out. Kenny.nl. I will also send the link here if anyone want to check on the Twitch here. And they're amazing. I used one or another asset or on some of my prototypes as well. They have a lot of cool assets here. 3D, 2D, UI, really awesome UI stuff, and some simple audio here. And so on. So I will stick to this. Let's go here. assets, any. It's all CC0, so you can use them for free without crediting. So I like to credit them, and I got their assets, and I'm not using directly. I made some changes that I was going to use to another game I was making before this gem, and I will share the these new packed versions here that's easier to use in Godot on my itchy.io. I will send the link later. Probably I'll make a video for that. But for now, I think I'm really going to stick with this. So I have ground layer characters that can be the player and some creatures we are going to face, like the goo right here, maybe a ghost, and anything like that. And if I had some time, I'll probably try to see other art styles, but what's working, it's working, and I will remain with this here. I also have the death and respawn mechanic. I don't have any menu right now. Maybe I should make one, but I leave that for the last couple hours of the gem. And now, okay, decision done. I'm going to stick to this art style. I'm going to stick to those sprites I already have here. And let me remember what I was trying to do. So the main idea for my game is you, the player, you found Jesus right after he resurrected in the third day, and he gave you a mission. And the mission is to go somewhere. I still didn't decided if it's like a world of the dead or realm of the dead, or maybe just a place in the that is so dark with so darkness there that you need to bring light, and you got a power, and the power is you also will resurrect uh, if you die, because you need to complete your mission, and your mission is to turn on, not but to trigger or to generate those beacons of light, so the souls there could find the path, can find a way to get out of that suffering place they are, or that hellish place they are, or something like that. And if you die for the creatures like the ghouls or vampires or anything that comes after you kills you, you not create a beacon. You return to your last checkpoint, let's say that. It's a roguelite, not a roguelike. And the progression is what you do with the world. So I create a beacon, I return with that beacon on. I don't need to create that beacon again, and I can teleport, or maybe I will just respawn in the last beacon. And maybe for the gen it's simple to respawn on the last beacon, and it will be a straightforward path. For a bigger game, I wanted to make like more open, like not open world, but the player can go in any direction they want and teleport to any beacon they want, but not now. Sorry. Rum. La da 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 da. And yeah, I need to really make the game. I got the respawn. I need to make the player now respawn in the last activated beacon. And I need to create actually a game manager for that. And let's create a game manager for now. And to be just to this scene or a simple node. For the game manager, I don't need any graphics at all. any positioning. You just handle like checkpoints and respawn positions and anything else. So it's a simple node. Game map manager. Let's just go ahead and save it. And I have a script. Empty. Exactly that what I want. Built in script. No, just create. Okay. Class name game manager. And no. And I want that to be an auto load. Import defaults, globals, auto load. Say game manager global. So that's the name. The path is game manager, the scene, add. I couldn't also do. Okay, that's okay. Let's just do this here. So awesome. I have my game manager. I can. I have a reference from anywhere. In my gaming manager, I need to add some things here. Beacon is called beacon. Okay, so how can I remove all the things? Var last beacon goes no. And if I don't have any last beacon, it will be the starting of the game. But yeah, let's just do that. There's one thing I still don't know about roguelike. Roguelite are always procedural. Okay, so I will not create anything procedural now, and I can still be in the roguelite genre. And but to make a bigger game, it should be procedural. But for the gem, I would just have, like I said, a straight line or a straightforward path. This will not be a straight line, but the player can only go in one direction. I plan to add like 3 to 5 beacons the player can unlock and a boss in the before the last beacon, because the last beacon is the I finished the game, I completed my mission. So the player will actually need to go through 4, and they also need to activate the 5th. And okay, last beacon or current beacon, last beacon, that's okay. And start snow. So function unlock beacon beacon oh beacon beacon and it return void, doesn't matter for now, just last beacon equals beacon, and print you got to the beacon beacon. Great. I can unlock and get small position. Turn vector tool. Turn 0. By default, So where is my player? When the player damage. Yeah, global position equals game manager dot get manager global dot get respawn position. I need to add a class. Let's make like this for now. Okay, I get my respawn position from that, and let's go back here, game manager. If last beacon, we have a last beacon, return last beacon dot global position. Okay, now I get my current checkpoint, and I can return to that position if I die, and return. And on my beacon, I need to actually upload when I can light. So here, game manager global dot unlock beacon and self. Great. So I change my position, blah blah blah. Okay, great. And let's just check this. For now, if I die to the creatures, I'm here, 2, 3, 4, dead. And return to the middle, and unlock this. I need to return to that position. Okay, and working. Great. Yeah, now the game mechanics are pretty done. I need to add some more types of enemies. Oh no, I need to make like the player can kill the creatures, but they cannot kill them directly. We don't have the palm light will only make the creatures go away, and you can kill them by throwing them at spikes or lava or anything like that, or maybe some god rays that incredible sun rays that comes from the sky in the middle of the clouds. I don't know exactly, but that will be okay. I think adding like a restore health option is not an option. I don't want to do that. The player will have 5 life, 5 HP, and after 5 hits or from stronger creatures it's less, they die. Because I will always return, and okay, that's it. I need to stop for now, but I will come back more later on today. So have a great time. See you later. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Love you.